Hello friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the default download location in Google Chrome. It's a simple trick that can save you time and keep your files organized. So let's get started. First is to open your Google Chrome on your computer and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select good. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. So all you need to do now is to click Downloads. And you will have an option to click Change to set a new download location. A File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to the folder where you want your downloads to be saved and click Select Folder. Congratulations! You have now successfully changed the default download location in Google Chrome. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in customizing your Google Chrome experience. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the default download location in Google Chrome, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy browsing!